Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, Nevada. Today, I shall solve some important problem of test paper 4 Chapter 4 Cubes and Cube Root. Students, write two important questions on this board. Question number 1 and question number 3. Evaluate 1 whole 2 by 5 cube. First question solve is 1 whole 2 by 5 cube. First of all, it's change it in improper fraction. 5 1 ja 5 plus 2 7 by 5 cube. So 7 by 5 cube equal to 7 by 5 into 7 by 5 into 7 by 5. Multiply them. 7 7 ja 49 और 49 7 ja 343. 343 by 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125. So 343 by 125 is the answer of first question. Now clean it. Students, I am solving question number 3 of test paper 4. Cube root of 216 into 343. So find factors of 216 and 343. Cube root of 216. 2 into 2 into 2. Again 3 into 3 into 3. It is the prime factors of 216. Now prime factors of 343. So 7 into 7 into 7. Make a pair 2 into 2 into 2. 3 into 3 into 3, again 7 into 7 equal to cube root of 2 cube into 3 cube into 7 cube equal to the cube root of 2 cube is 2. Multiply the cube root of 3 cube is 3. Into the cube root of 7 cube is 7. Now multiply them. 2 3 ja 6, 6 7 ja 42. Write it. Students, write two objective question on this board. Question number 7 and question number 8. Question number 7 is cube root of 216 into 64. So first of all, solve it. For write cube root of, write the factors of 216. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 into 3 into 3. Now the factors of 64, prime factors, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, again 2 into 2. Make a triplet. Equal to cube root of 2 cube into 3 cube, 2 cube into 3 cube, again 2 cube into 2 cube, equal to the cube root of 2 cube is 2, the cube root of 3 cube is 3, into the cube root of 2 cube is 2, into the cube root of 2 cube is 2. Now multiply it. 2 to the 4 to the 8, 3 the 24. Answer. Now question number 7 is solved. So clean it. Again question number 8 is cube root of minus 343 equal to minus cube root of 343 by 729 by 729. Now equal to minus cube root of right factors of 343, 7 into 7 into 7, and the cube root of 725 factors of 729 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 minus cube root of 7 cube by 3 cube into 3 cube equal to minus cube root of 7 cube is 7 and cube root of 3 cube is 3 and the cube root of 3 cube is 3. So minus 7 by 9 answer. Right. Students, one important question right on this board is question number 9. By what least number should 324 be multiplied to get a perfect cube? Here given this number is 324. What least number multiplied in 324 be so given number is make a perfect cube. So first of all, the PF of question number 9, the PF of the prime factors of 324. The prime factors of 324. Find it. 324. 2 times 2 1 ja 2 and 2 6 ja 12 and 2 2 ja 4. Again 2 times 2 8 ja 16 and 2 1 ja 2. Now 3 times 27 3 ja. Again 3 times 9 3 ja 27. Now 3 times 3 3 ja 9. Show the prime factors of 324 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 3. So into 3. Students, make a triplet. So 3 into 3 is a 3 into 3 into 3 is in triplet. But 2 into 2 and 3 is not in a triplet. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 3q. Therefore, the required least number. Therefore, the required least number equal to 2 into 2. To make a triplet, it is multiplied by 1 again 2. So 2. And 3, make a triplet, it is multiplied by 3 into 3. Equal to 3 3 ja 9 and 9 2 ja 18. Answer of this question, write it. Students, question number 10 is objective question. Find the value of cube root 128 divided by cube root of 250. So cube root of 128 by cube root of 250 equal to, same its cube root of 128 by 250 divided by 2 times, 2 6 ja 12 and 2 4 ja 8, 1 2 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja 10 equal to cube root of 64 by 125. Cube root of 64 by 125. Now find its prime factors. Cube root of 64 by 125. Prime factors of 64 is 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 2 into 2. Prime factors of 125, 5 into 5 into 5 equal to cube root of 2q into 2q by 5q. So cube root of 2q is 2 and cube root of 2q is 2 by cube root of 5 is 5q is 5. So 2 2 ja 4 by 5 answer. Write it. Students, one question of group C, fill in the blanks. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 of question number 12. So fill in the blanks. Students, cube root AB equal to cube root A into cube root V. Cube root V. And fill in the blanks. Question number 2, cube root A by V. Cube root A by B equal to cube root A by cube root V. Now cube root of minus x equal to minus cube root x. In question number 4, 0.5 cube equal to 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. So 5 5 ja 25, 25 ja 125, decimal after 3 decimal places. So 0.125 answer. Students, homework, solve test paper 4. Students, today your homework is solve test paper 4. Thanks you. That's all.